Hello students, now today we'll start a new chapter, that is chapter 14, factorization. And today we'll do first 5 sums of question number 1 from exercise 14.1. It's very easy students. So what we have to do, we have to find the common factor for each question of question number 1. Fine. So how to find out the common factor? Very easy. Now the first thing you see, how many terms are given in the first question? 2. So we have to see what are the common numbers or any variables which are present in both the terms. For that, the first thing that we have to do is we have to write the first term like this, 12x. Now we have to break this 12. For that, you have to do the prime factorization. So 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So in place of 12, we will write all those factors. That is 2 into 2 into 3 into x is also there. So you will write x as well. Now let's break this 36 also. So again we'll do the same thing, that is 36, 2 18s are, 2 9s are, 2 3s are, 3 1s are. So we'll write it down as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Fine. Now we'll find out what are the common factor of 12x and 36. So common factor means we will write CF over here. These are the common factors. So how to find out the common factor? So you see this numbers are present in both the term. This number is also present in both the term, and 3 is also present in both the terms. So the common factors are what? 2, 2, 3. So these are the common factors. Fine. So and also we can write like this, that is and you will write and then you will multiply all the common factors. That is, your required answer will be 12. Fine. So these are all the common factors, 2, 2 and 3, and after that you have to multiply all the factors and you have to find out the product of all the common factors. That is, 12 is a common factors of 12x and 36. So this is how exactly you have to do with the second sum also, that is sum number 2. So what we have in sum number 2, we have 2y and 22xy. So 22xy. So 2y can be written as 2 into y, because we cannot break 2, this is a prime number. And what to do about this 22y? So 22xy, we can write it as 2 into 11 into x into y. Now what are the common factors you have to write? So these are the common factors, students. This is a common factor and this is also a common factor. So that is 2 comma y, isn't it? So and you can write 2 into y, so that would give you 2y. Fine, as easy as this. Now let's move on to sum number 3. Okay, what is sum number 3? We have sum number 3, we have 14pq, comma, and then we have 28p square q square. Okay, now let's break this 14pq. That is, in place of 14 we can write what? 2 7s are 14. So 2 into 7 into p into q. Okay. Now 28 p square q square can be written as 28, can be written as, do the prime factorization, 2 14s are, 2 7s are, 7 1s are. So we can write 2 into 2 into 7 into 2 p's are there and 2q are there, 2q are there, students. Okay. So what are the common factors? So these are the common factors. That is 2 is a common factor, 7 is a common factor, p is a common factor, and q is also a common factor. So we'll write the common factor as 2 comma 7 comma p comma q. So now we have to multiply this, and 2 into 7 into p into q. Now let's multiply this. 2 7s are 14 and p into q is what? Pq. Okay. So this is a common factor of 14pq and 28p square q square. Okay. Now let's move on to sum number 4. Sum number 4. So what is there in sum number 4? We have 3 terms this time, 3 times 2x, 3x square, and now what we have to write? 4. Absolutely, yes. So now first of all we'll write 2x as 2 into x, 3x square can be written as 3 into x, and 4 can be written as 2 into 2, isn't it? Now do you see any common factors in all the 3 terms? You see 2, 2 is not present here, but 2 is present here. X is present here, it is also present here, but it is not present here. So there is no factor, there is no particular factor which is common to all the 3 terms. So when you see these things is happening, so in this case you will write the common factor as 1 only. Okay, so 1 is a common factor of every number. Fine. So if you do not find any common factors among the terms, so you will write the answer as 1. So the common factor is 1. Okay, now let's move on to sum number 5, and this would be the last sum of today's session. So this would be 6abc comma 24ab square and 12a square b. Now let's do this. This would be interesting one. So in place of 6, what we can write? 2 into 3 into a into b into c. Now in place of 24ab square, so 24 can be written as, let's do this, 24 can be written as 2 12s are 2 6s are 2 3s are, isn't it? So we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Only one a is there and 2b is there. 2b is there. Now how to write 12a square b? We can write 12b square as 2 into 2 into 3, isn't it? How many a's are there? 2. And how many b are there? 1. Now let's see what are the common factors. So common factor is what? Just a minute. Let's take a different color. Now this is a common factor. Okay, now 3 is also a common factor, students. This is also a common factor. A is also a common factor. There is only one a common. B is also a common factor. Okay, so these are all the common factors. So let's write it down. 2 is a common factor, 3 is also a common factor, a is a common factor, and b is also a common factor. So we'll multiply all those common factors now. 2 into 3 into a into b. Now 2 3s are 6, a into b is ab. So this is the required answer of sum number 5, students. So I hope all of you have understood this sum. So thank you so much. God bless you all and take care.